everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to create a multi-strand bracelet using the newest Softlex company design kit, Carnival? And this was their exclusive kit for TGBE or the Great Bead Extravaganza, Midsummer Market 2025. And I will go ahead and link down below in the description if this kit is still available, as well as the tutorial playlist for this kit with the unboxing. These were some of the items in the kit, these beautiful ceramic star beads. If you love all things ceramic beads, be sure to check out softflexcompany.com as well as their live sales every Thursday. They have some unique ceramic beads. So I thought this was just so fun to make a fun summer design. And with this bracelet design, you can kind of have that statement design look as well with sparkle and just perfect for summertime. And we'll just be using our Softlex wire that came in the kit in the beautiful quartz. You'll need some jump rings, a clasp of your choice, and some 2x2s. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all other information featuring this design kit and the current Softlex company design kit. Let's start creating. So I'm using most of the beads that were in the kit for the stars. I was originally going to make a necklace, but I just thought a bracelet would be really fun for summertime. To start, we're going to need about 20 inches of our Softlex wire. So to start, we're just going to bring in one of our 2x2s and just add it on to one side of our Softlex. On the opposite side, we're just going to do a little crisscross. And then we're just going to slide that all the way down, and we want our 2x2 fairly in the middle. And then it's up to you how big or small you would like your loop to be. This is going to be your connection point where your jump ring is going to connect to your clasp. So once we have the loop, we're just going to bring in our pliers and just squish. So we're just flattening our 2x2. If you've seen my other tutorials, you know I like to round my 2x2. It just gives it a more professional finish. But due to this design and the placement of your 2x2, you can just go ahead and flatten. Now we're just going to start adding on our beads to our string, and this is just basic bead stringing. Just love this Bedoria bead mix, so sparkly. And these star beads do have large holes, so you can use them for bead weaving or maybe like kumihimo with Softlex. So a lot of design possibilities. Just keep adding on all of our beads. Super, super sparkly. You'll have a little bit of spacing with your beads, but that's a great design. So that way you don't have to worry about your bracelet clustering together or overlapping. You're going to have the perfect spacing. So we'll keep adding on all the beads until we reach the desired length of our project. We have all of our beads added on. Just look how sparkly that is. So now we're just going to add in our other 2x2. We're going to do it a little different. You could also do this for a necklace if you wanted to, and then you could have your pendant here. So if you wanted to have a super sparkly necklace. So we're going to pick up our 2x2 on one side, and then we're going to do the crisscross just like we did before. You may notice that your bracelet kind of is making a circle now, but that's completely normal. We're going to take one side of Softlex and just pass back through our 2x2. Now for our Softlex 2x2s, it will hold 3 pieces of medium Softlex wire, and that's what we're using in the project. I have our Softlex passing back through our 2x2. We're just going to go ahead and give it a pull. And it's okay if your beads are starting to loosen up from the 2x2. We can just make any adjustments as needed. Now any leftover Softlex, we're just going to go ahead and trim. And be sure to save your extra Softlex. You can always use it for a future projects. We have our beautiful, very sparkly bracelet. Now we're just going to attach our clasp. And if you ever make your bracelet a little small, you can just attach a few jump rings to it and it will go ahead and extend the length so you don't have to restring your projects. And when we open jump rings, we're just going to take our pliers and gently twist side to side. And then we're going to attach it to our soft flex and give it a close. And when you close jump rings, you should hear a little click and you'll know it's secure. I'm using the lobster claw that came in the kit for my clasp. Then we're just going to attach that to the next jump ring and give it a close. And then I'm just going to add 2 more jump rings on the other side. I know the bracelet looks like it has some spacing to it, but when you're wearing it, it kind of stretches out a little bit. We'll just add on our last few jump rings. And if you're using a 2-part clasp, such as a toggle, you would just add your second part of the clasp to the other jump ring on the other side. So we have our beautiful bracelet created with the newest Softlex company design kit, Carnival. And this is with the ceramic beads from the kit and the crystals from the Bedoria bead mix. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as a tutorial playlist for the Great Bead Extravaganza event for summer. And if any of the products are still available, they will also be mentioned down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.